Okay, I'm back. What we have here is a screw cell multiplied times 3. So I got three sets of screw cells. These are all wired in series. So I've got a total of about 13 volts applied end to end, and across each cell is about, I'm going to have to measure it. Right now I got it configured to do amps. The entire arrangement is drawing 7.24 amps across the entire the 3 cells. Each cell is dropping about 4.5, almost 5 volts. Maybe not 5 volts, a bit steep. It's going to be 1/3 of 12.5. Just over 4 volts per cell, and we're drawing 7 amps through it, and this is the output that I have right now. As you can tell, I've got to do I need to do some tweaking to get the amps to come up and to get the flow to come up, but that's basically the current cell, and this is what it looks like. Well, you probably can't hear that, but you know. One of the things the reason why I went with 3 cells is I'm trying to figure out a relatively simple way to manage the heat that's generated. Dropping the voltage across each cell it does well for minimizing how much heat is generated, but it also, because of the extra resistance, it's actually causing my current draw to run low. If one of these cells, right now, if one of these cells was wired up in series or wired up by itself on the same supply, it would probably be drawing in the neighborhood of 20-25 amps by itself, and that's I haven't found the magic combination yet where I'm happy with the amount of heat that's generated against the amount of flow that's being generated. All right, that's it for now, and I thank you very much thanks for watching my videos, and take care.